In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, you need to launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent. Select this gear at the top left corner and check out all of those options. You can check out Preview at the top and adjust all of your wallpaper settings here. You can even tap on Presets on the left. Check out one of those and adjust it. Wherever you decided when you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes, tap on Apply To and decide where by tapping on one of those options. Then hit Apply at the top right corner to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!